For this problem, we're looking at a circle that has the central angle ACB. So I guess I could label this diagram here ACB. And that central angle has a measure of 2 pi over 3 radians. Now it also says that this area of the sector formed by central angle ACB is what fraction of the area of the circle? Well, we've got the formula for this, the area of a sector of a circle. In radians, it's 1/2 multiplied by the radius squared times theta. And in this case, theta is 2 pi over 3. So we could go ahead and just rewrite that right now. So it's going to be 1/2 r squared times 2 pi over 3. You'll notice here we don't have the radius of the circle, but we don't actually need it to solve this question. The question is, what fraction of the entire circle area is this one sector, this one piece of the pie here, which I'll just kind of highlight in yellow there. So to figure out that fraction, we need to take the area of that sector and divide it by the area of the entire circle, which we would represent by pi r squared. All right, so maybe before we do that, let's simplify what we have here for the sector area. I notice we have a 2 in the numerator and denominator, so those are going to cancel out. So it will become pi r squared over 3. Okay, so that's the area of the sector. Now to turn that into as a fraction of the whole circle, we would divide that by pi r squared, the entire area of the circle. We can rewrite that. It's the same thing as pi r squared over 3 times the reciprocal of that, so it would be 1 over pi r squared. And conveniently, pi r squared is canceled on the numerator and denominator, so really we get an answer of 1/3. So that sector represents 1/3 of the entire area of the circle. So I hope that was helpful, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.